we're back with KO84 and with some more potato visuals.
Heilandsblitz aber auch. Oh.
So, awake yet? I hope so. Let's keep going. In front of us here, we got a car from a driving school. Well, that guy does a good job of showing the student how reckless traffic can be. And we've got another clip that should be shown to beginners. We are about to see a guy who seems like he's aiming for as many offenses as possible. He's not only gunning the red light, but also making an aggressive U-turn over a solid line to then run the same red light again in the other direction. 3 heavy offenses in 7 seconds. Can somebody please open a can of applause? And who's got to wait here? Apparently not Our Majesty. Roundabout. Seemingly a very hard concept of traffic to understand. An exit lane is approaching, and can you guess what happens next?
Bringen ihn doch gleich von der Straße, mein Alter.
Be honest, you did not expect this craziness. A long bend in the road. Of course it is a good idea to try to pass here.
Was ist mit dir falsch, ey?
Look at this road here. I don't know if you should even ride around here with a bicycle, let alone as an elderly person with a scooter. I don't think the police does it take for a good idea either.
Opa in seinem Elektromobil auf der Wehr.
Dude, what about that nasty laugh, really? It may be looking funny to you, but you never know why this man ended up on this road and if it was intentional. Who knows if he may have been in fear and just wanted to get off of it again. Don't laugh at the old man or other old people who are doing odd things. Rather consider to stop and help him. If cops don't already do this. In the following clip here, irony is so concentrated that we are getting served with it in fluid form in a bowl. The camera driver is talking about some stuff concerning braking distances and reaction times, and his destiny felt motivated to deliver an instant top-tier example for his explanation. A wonderful display for the relevance of his information.
Man braucht ja auch ein bisschen, bis man reagieren kann.
Here we are with Sebi in his truck, and you do know about this unscripted law that trucks must always be passed, right? Show us what you've got, Blue Thunder. Running those keep-out areas like a boss. Changing multiple lanes right in front of trucks is another one of those brilliant tricks car drivers like to do. And we all know Trucking Ben. He's collecting loads of clips of such stuff, like pulling out very closely in front of a whale of steel. Yup, he does it. And another one. The same happens to bus drivers, but of course it does. Aren't buses so small you can barely recognize them on the road? Several signs telling you which way to go. Very tough job, I know. Any road user on 2 wheels counts as a weak one, because they are completely unprotected from external forces. The scooter rider here is a different breed though. Yes, he is indeed brake checking the car. Who knows how often he will do that before he bites it. Narrow streets, a bus at the stop, and a pedestrian crossing with many people around. Yeah, whatever. It's not like those circumstances would require any caution. We are back on a well-known bike lane, and as you can see to the right, some farmer is passing us by, and he must have seen us. He just doesn't give a shit. There was a truck behind the farmer, honking at him for his stupid action. I don't know what it is with some people, either completely missing or ignoring cyclists. That's a funny entry to the freeway. And having just entered the freeway, let's exit it again. But people always gotta do it properly, which means not being considerate but very obnoxious.
Ja, Junge, genau. Meine Fresse, du Voll... Alter.
Do you want to have some very much deserved Schadenfreude? Here it comes. Some car is pushing the camera driver really badly, of course ignoring any safety distance. Apparently, this idiot had a bad karma record, which is why he's got the cops behind him, and they are rightfully deciding to have some fun on his ass. Oh, how did it pay off to be that pushy? But sadly, some cops are giving a really bad example. In this clip, we've got frosty rain and a very bad sight. And what the hell are they doing there? Not only is the driver an idiot, but this BMW 530i comes equipped with a radar system for maintaining distance. And all this time, it must have been like, let him go, let him go! We are back on the bike and we got a wide open road with no traffic. So what does a proper dipshit driver do? Pass with like 2 inches of distance. At least a blue one does it better. Oh, look at this. Right before a completely blind top does this idiot start passing. He certainly doesn't realize that a car could suddenly appear at any moment. And it's pure luck that nothing happens. But at some point, such drivers will run out of luck, like proven in this footage. Wow, it's unreal how this dirtbag kept going while the oncoming driver was forced to come to a complete stop. This is where we need the cops and rip this guy a new one. You know, bus drivers are generally the absolute safest ones, but if you selected ones, I wouldn't like to be a passenger in their vehicle. And it's beyond stupid when bus drivers do that, because if any violation like that gets recognized by the authorities, their license just poofs away like that. With dashcams, all distances look a lot further than they are, so this move here was pretty damn close. This railroad crossing ahead there is turning red, but white Mercedes guy doesn't care. But I don't care must be a bumper sticker on this driver's truck. However though, we have stopped at the lights. The gates come down and feel free to understand this as some metaphor for the end of this episode. Yup, you can do my work for me. In any case, if you'd like to keep watching more of our stuff, you see 2 options on screen. Just click on them, will you? Great, I'll see you soon again.